Engineering. For us, engineering is more than a science. Engineering is the possibility of creating stories, bringing ideas to life, and opening doors to a generation of wealth and development in Brazil. Being part of this challenge, that's what moves us. In its history of over 40 years, MSE has revolutionized, learned, and grown, always with ethics, competence, and commitment, in order to become what we are today, a nationally recognized and respected company. We believe in our country and its potential to evolve. We started with one single person, and today we are over 1,500, designing and building the infrastructure of this country. Year after year, we are expanding our operations, investing in technology, quality certifications, intensifying our technical competence, and expanding our areas of expertise. Our setup has an industrial park of 26,000 square meters, equipment, cranes, forklifts, and trucks, ensuring the standardization of processes and the reduction of delivery times. We were born in Londrina and were already in São Paulo, Belo Horizonte, Fortaleza, Curitiba, and many more construction sites spread across the country. How did we achieve this? By investing in people and believing in the potential of each one of them. All of this to focus on what matters most, our client.